dear all, this is Preeti Rajput. Once again welcome you in my today's grammar session. Friends, today we are going to see in transformation of sentences three correlative conjunctions. They are as soon as, no sooner than and hardly when. Friends, this is very important topic as it is frequently asked in 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard, even in 11 and 12th standard English examination. So let's get started. Friends, these correlative conjunctions always come in pair. No sooner than, hardly when, as soon as. And their uses are almost same. So we have to study them together. As soon as is used to combine two clauses. See the structure. In the beginning itself we have to write as soon as, then first action sentence, then comma, then second action sentence. See friends, as soon as is used when we are talking about two actions. When first action is completed, at the very moment another actions take place. Observe the structure and use as soon as in the sentence. As I said, as soon as should be written in the beginning of the sentence. So we will write as soon as, then first action sentence. What is the first action? I finish my studies. So we will write here I finish my studies. See what the structure said. After first action sentence we have to put comma. So I put comma there and another action sentence, that is I got a good job. That's it. Isn't it easy? See, as soon as, first action sentence, comma and second action sentence. Another example, my sister arrives home, she begins to cook. As structure says, we will write as soon as, then first action sentence, my sister arrives home. My sister arrives home, then comma, then she begins to cook. That's it. Full stop. Friends, as soon as, no sooner than, hardly when, these are time indicating words. So while using them, one thing we have to remember that we have to remove time indicating words such as when, as, while, after, before, suddenly, quickly, immediately, at once, at the very moment, at the same time. They are used to show time, so they are used in adverb of time. One more example, after the bell rang, all the children ran out of the class. See, as I said, time indicating word should be removed, should be avoided. So, we will use as soon as. Then what is the first action sentence? The bell rang. We will write the bell rang. Then comma, then second action sentence, all the children ran out of the class. See, over. As soon as, first action sentence, comma, second action sentence. It is done. Let us move towards another conjunction, that is no sooner than. Friends, the uses of as soon as and no sooner than is almost same. As soon as we are using in affirmative sentence and no sooner than is used in negative sentence. See, no sooner than is used to show that one thing happened immediately after another thing, as we are using in as soon as. In the same way, no sooner introduce the event that occur first, it means here will be two actions, and no sooner than will be used before the first action. Here also we have to avoid time indicating words like as soon as, at once, soon and mentioned earlier. See the construction of no sooner than. First, in the beginning itself, we have to write no sooner than. Friends, here is gap. It means they are not used together. They have to be used separately. No sooner than, then auxiliary verb from the first action sentence. After that, we will write a first action sentence, and that too without auxiliary, because auxiliary verb already we have written here. Then the second action sentence. First of all, identify the first action sentence. We have identified he had reached the station. As I said, we have to write no sooner in the beginning itself. So we have written no sooner. Then the auxiliary verb from the first action sentence. Here we have to identify the auxiliary verb, and here is had. No sooner had. Then we have to write first action sentence without auxiliary. He reached the station. And one thing to be remembered, as we are writing has, have, had, their V3 form of verb should be. And then we have to write than. Then second action sentence, the train departed. You must observe the use of as soon as and no sooner than is almost same. Now let us move towards another example. As soon as my father enters the home, I gave him a glass of water. See, as I said, time indicating word will be removed from the sentence. So we will remove that as soon as. We will begin with no sooner. Then the auxiliary verb from the first action sentence. Friend, here we can't see that for auxiliary verb. Then we have to see main verb. Main verb is in V6 form. If there is main verb in V1 form, we have to write do plus V1. If the main verb is in V2 form, there we have to use the auxiliary did plus V1. And if the main verb is in V6 form, we have to use does plus V1. Here we can see enters, it is in V6 form. So here we are writing does. No sooner does my father. Now here we will write V1. Enter the home. Then we are writing than. Mind it, here we are writing than, not then. Most of the time children commit mistake by writing that, then. Here we have to write THAN, than. The home, than I give him a glass of water. It is pretty clear to you. Point to be remember, V1, if there is V1, then we have to write do. If there is V2, then we have to write did. And if there is V6, we have to write does. Now let us move towards the uses of hardly when. Hardly when, here also we can see gap. It means they are not used together. The uses of hardly when and the uses of as soon as and no sooner than is almost same. See, hardly when is used to show that one thing happened immediately after another thing, same like as soon as. Hardly introduce the event that occur first, and there we have to use had. And the point to be remembered that the time indicating word should be removed from the sentence similarly to the hardly. See the construction of the sentence. In the beginning itself we have to write hardly, then had is very important, then the first action sentence, then when, the second action sentence. See, I wrote all the answers, and another sentence, the bell rang. These two sentences we have to join with hardly when, and that will become complex sentence. First of all, we will write hardly. As the construction says, we have to write the had, and very important thing, where there we are using has, have, had, V3 form of verb should be there. I wrote all the answers. Here wrote is given, and we have to convert this into V3 form. Hardly had I. What is the V3 form of wrote? Written. Hardly had I written all the answers. Here our first sentence is over. Then after first sentence we have to write when. When, and the another sentence, the bell rang. Isn't it easy? See, another sentence, she fell asleep as soon as she went to bed. As I said, as soon as, such type of time indicating word should be removed. Then hardly, had, we have to learn. Hardly, after that had should come. Hardly had she fall, V3 form of fall, fallen. Hardly had she fallen asleep. See, as soon as will be removed. Then we are writing here when. Another sentence, she went to the bed. See, third example, the result was announced. We started rejoicing. Friends, observe it. Here is was. If there is was a word in the sentence, that should be replaced with been. It means here hardly had. The result, here we have to write been. Hardly had the result been announced. V3 form of announced is announced itself. Then we will write here when we are using to join two sentences. When we started rejoicing. Is it difficult, friends? See, here we have seen the uses of no sooner than, as soon as, and hardly when. Friends, I hope you understand the uses of as soon as, no sooner than, and hardly when. Let us revise the topic with two more examples. See, when he reached there, he was warmly welcomed. Here we have to use all three conjunctions: as soon as, no sooner than, and hardly when. First begin with as soon as. As soon as, identify the first action, he reached there. When he reached there. As I said, when, such type of word should be removed, similar to as soon as. As soon as he reached there, then remember the structure, comma, then another action sentence, he was warmly welcomed. Then no sooner. As I said, no sooner, then no sooner, after that we have to write helping verb. No sooner, here is no helping verb, then we have to move towards main verb. It is reached. It is in V2 form. So here we have to write did. Did plus V1. No sooner did he reach there. See, here we have written did, so here V1 form. Here than. He was warmly welcomed. No sooner than. Then hardly. Hardly had he. Here we have to write V3 form of reach. And V3 form of reach is reach itself. Hardly had he reached there. Then when we have to write in place of comma. When he was warmly welcomed. Now another example for your better understanding. The teacher came, children stood up. Here also two examples separated with comma. As soon as, the first action, the teacher came, comma, second action, children stood up. Then no sooner, helping verb we have to write here. Here came. Once again here we have to write did. No sooner did the teacher, see, came, V1 form of came is come. No sooner did the teacher come than, in place of comma we are writing than, children stood up. The last one is hardly. Hardly had the teacher, see friends, here we have to write the V3 form of came. It is come. Come, came, come. When children stood up. Friends, I hope you understand the topic. Try to solve the exercises based on these conjunctions. Here two sentences we have joined with these correlative conjunctions, and these two sentences we have joined and make one sentence as complex sentence. Friends, thank you for watching me. Thanks and have a good day ahead.